And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you insert images in Wombo Dream. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to insert images, you just simply have to open a Wombo Dream application. And after opening the Wombo Dream, you will get to see this plus button into the bottom middle. Just simply tap into that plus button, and after that, you will get this section to create an artwork. Now you will get this text, image and avatar option. Now into here, you just simply have to pick image option, and then you can choose the images from your gallery, or you can click an image by using your camera. I'm choosing select image option for now. And after this, you can choose any of the image from your gallery. Just simply choose the image and tap to next button. And this way you can very easily insert images as prompts into your Wombo Dream. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.